Hey guys, so today we're gonna see what people trade for a neon flower parrot. So let's start. Okay, this is a really good offer, but I don't think I'm gonna do it because I really like my parrot, and yeah, so I don't think I'm going to accept this trade. We're gonna decline that. Okay, we got another trade. So let's put in our parrot. Ride potion and a ride pig. Not fair, so I'm gonna decline. So I'm gonna just ride it so I can get some more offers. It looks like you don't sending us trades right now. Oh, we got a trade. Oh, they're trading with someone else, so we're gonna have to wait for another trade. So we're not really getting any trades right now, so let's just wait. Okay, someone sent us a trade, so we're gonna accept it and put in our parrot. A neon fire, brown bear, a banana car, and a blue rider. That's not really fair, so I am gonna decline that trade. Okay, so let's see what they add. A ride kangaroo, a flyer griffin, a neon flyer bee, and a ride ninja monkey. No thank you. I don't really want that for my neon parrot. So yeah. Let's see what else people trade. It looks like we're not getting any trades right now. Yeah. Let's see. I just sent someone a trade because nobody's really trading me right now. So we're gonna put in my neon parrot. See what they add. Looks like they're not adding anything. So we are gonna decline. Okay, we got another trade. I'm gonna put in my parrot. A flower parrot and a flower crow. No, thank you. I don't really want that stuff for my neon parrot. So we're gonna decline. Okay, we got another trade. Put in my neon parrot. Looks like they're not gonna. Oh, a flower parrot. No, thank you. Okay, let's see what they add. A neon flower. Okay, it's the same person that had a really good offer, but I don't really want. Okay, we're gonna decline. Okay, we got another trade. Let's accept it. Okay, that's not fair, so I'm gonna decline. Okay. Let's see what else. A fire frost dragon. No thank you, because that's not really fair. Maybe if it was neon, then I might. So no thank you. So it looks like we're not really getting any more trades. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys on my next video. So bye.